Dear students, in this video we are going to see complement of an event and conditional probability. What is complement of an event? The complement of an event E is denoted by E bar and is the event that contains every outcome for the experiment except for those in E. You see this example. If E is the event that a face value 4 is showing when a die is rolled. Now, and this is a die. We know that we have 6 faces in the die of having 6 different values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, here, what is the event E showing the face value 4? Okay. What is the event E bar? E bar, that is complement of E, is not showing 4, which means E bar is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, because E bar means the complement of E. Here E is 4, so complement of E is E bar is denoted by 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, which is not having 4, okay. Now you see this note, a die is rolled, okay. A die is rolled. We throw a single die. What is the sample space when we throw a single die? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many elements in S? That is 6. That is N of S is equal to 6. This is the formula to find the probability. Now, what is probability of E? What is probability of E? Here, E is our favorable event. Okay. In E, how many outcomes? Only one outcome. The number 4. Okay. Here, number of outcomes is 1. So now I write here 1 divided by how many total outcomes in this experiment? That is 6. So you write here 6. So this 1 comes from how many outcomes in the event E? That is 1 divided by this 6 is nothing but number of elements in a sample space. Okay. Similarly, you can find what is probability of E complement is equal to how many elements in E complement. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total elements in E complement is 5. That is here in the numerator divided by 6. What is the 6? Number of elements in the sample space, that is 6. Now we see one remark. Since every event either occurs or does not occur, the sum of the probabilities of an event and its complement is always 1. That is, probability of E plus probability of E complement is equal to 1. Here E is an event. This E bar is a complement of this event. This is very important result. Now, we can, by using this rule, we can find probability of E is equal to 1 minus probability of, take this value to the other side. Now we can find the probability of E complement is equal to 1 minus probability of E. Now you see the note again. We can find probability of E and probability of E bar by using this rule. Okay. Suppose we don't know this. We know only probability of E, that is equal to 1 over 6. Then how to find probability of E complement? See here, probability of E complement is equal to 1 minus probability of E. That is in the remark. This one. Now, by applying this idea, the probability of E complement is equal to 1 minus this probability of E. Here, 1 over 6. So this equal to 5 over 6. So by using this result, you can find the probability of E bar. We'll see what is the next example. You see here, if the probability that a flight will be delayed, here the probability of the flight will be delayed is given, that is 0.13. The question is then the probability that it will not be delayed must be how much? That is, use this result here so that 1 minus, this is the probability for delay. So this is equal to, you subtract this, so you will get 0.87. This is the probability for the flight will not be delayed. Now we will see the conditional probability. Suppose A and B are two events for an experiment, and suppose event B has occurred already. Now we can recalculate the probability of event A based on this information. That is called the conditional probability of A given B. That is denoted by probability of A given B. Now you can see this example. Consider the experiment of drawing two balls without replacement from a box. Okay, consider this as a box. In box we have 8 balls, means 8 white balls, 6 red balls and 4 green balls. Now you see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is your 8 white balls, this is your 6 red balls, this is your 4 green balls. Okay, now let event W1 be the event that first ball drawn is white. W1 is first ball drawn is white. W2 is the event the second ball drawn is white. Now we can calculate the following values. First one is probability of W1 is equal to this. We are going to calculate this. What is probability of W1? That is probability of first ball white. Okay, we are going to calculate this value by using this rule. Probability of E is equal to number of outcomes in E divided by number of outcomes in S. Here E is our favorable event, that is W1. First ball is white. Okay, that is W1. Now you see total how many balls we have in a box. 8 plus 6 plus 4, that is 18. Total number of balls 18. Total number of balls 18. Total number of balls 18. Okay, now so probability of W1 is equal to 8. How we are getting this 8? My favorable event is first ball white. So now total how many white balls I have? I have 8 white balls. So from 8 white balls I select one white ball. What does this C? This C means selection, combination. Already you studied in this chapter. So now out of 8 given white balls, I select one white ball, that is 8C1, which is equal to 8. That is here 8 divided by 18. What is this 18? Here total number of balls 18. So now I select one ball from these 18 balls, that is 18C1 is equal to 18. That is here in the denominator. So this is equal to 4 divided by 9. So what is the probability of W1? That is first ball white is equal to 4 divided by 9. You will see second question. Now what is second one? Probability of W2 given W1. This is the conditional probability. Now what is the condition? This is the condition. W1 is the condition. Okay, now you see total number of balls 18 here in the box. Now what is W1? W1 means first ball drawn is white. Suppose I select first ball which is white, so I can cancel this one white ball. First ball is white, I can cancel this white ball. Okay, after this event we have to calculate the probability of W2. We have to calculate now the probability of W2 after this event. So now first ball is white, so I take out one white ball. Now what is the total number of balls? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 10 17. Total number of balls 17. Now we have to calculate the probability of the second ball is white. So now I select one ball in from this box. So now this equal to, here I need white ball. So now how many white balls remaining after removing one white ball? So now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So that 7C1 from these 7 balls, I select one white ball. That is the required even. Now second ball is white. So now 7C1 is equal to 7. How to calculate 7C1 is equal to 7? You can use calculator. It's very, very important. You can use calculator to calculate this. 7C1 is equal to 7. So you write in the numerator divided by what is here? What is here? 17. How we are getting 17? Now after removing this first white ball, total number of balls 17. So 17C1 is equal to 17. This is in the denominator. So your answer is 7 by 17. This is the probability of W2 given W1. This is the conditional probability. What is probability of W2 given W1 bar? Here this is the condition. W1 bar. What is W1 bar? W1 means first ball drawn is white. W1 bar means that is complement of W1, that is not white. First ball drawn is not white. This is the condition. Under this condition, we have to find the probability of W2. Okay. So W1 bar means first ball drawn is not white. So it means maybe it is red or green. I assume that it is red. The first ball drawn is not white. It is red. Okay. Just I assume that this is red. Okay. I can cancel one bar because I keep this W1 bar outside. Okay. Now under this condition, we have to calculate W2. So now how many total balls in the box? 17. So now we are going to select again the second ball, that is W2. What is W2? Second ball drawn is white. So now I select one ball from the remaining 17 balls. So now 17C1 is equal to 17 because 17C1 is selecting one ball from the given box of 17 balls having. So now it is 17. You can use calculator to calculate this. Okay. Now how we are getting this? Why we are getting this? Now we have to calculate W2. Second ball is white. Now total how many white balls remaining? Now 8. So now I'm going to select one white ball from the existing 8 white balls. So 8C1 is equal to 8. So here probability of W2, that is W1 is the W1 bar is the condition, so that we can write in the numerator 8 from this. In the denominator we can write 17 from this because this is the number of outcomes of our even. This is the total number of outcomes. Now you see here probability of W2 given W1. Here first ball drawn is white. This is the condition. Under this condition, what is the probability for second ball is white? This is 7 by 17. Now here first ball drawn is not white. Under this condition, what is the probability of second ball is white? W2, that is 8 by 17. Now we will see the fourth question. We have to calculate probability of W2 bar given W1. Here what is this? First ball drawn is white. This is the condition. This is the condition. Now after this condition, we have to find the probability of second ball is not white because W2 bar second ball is not white. Okay. Now here second ball is not white. Okay. But first ball is white. Okay. So now first ball is white. One ball is white. We can take out. We can cancel one ball. Okay. So how many totally remaining balls is 17? Total ball is 17. Okay. So now how to calculate this? You see probability of W2 bar, that is second ball is not white, which means the second ball is any one of this color, either maybe red or green. So from this 10 we are getting one ball, that is W2 bar second ball drawn is not white. So how we are writing this 10 in the numerator? In the remaining 10 balls means except white, 10C1 is equal to 10. You can use calculator to find this. 10C1 is equal to 10. That is in the numerator divided by how we are getting 17. Now you see here 7 balls and this 10 ball, total 17 because only one ball we keep outside crossed. So now remaining we have 17. So 17 balls. In the remaining 17 balls we select one ball. That is 17C1 is equal to 17. That is in the denominator. So the answer is 10 by 17. This is the probability of second ball is not white given first ball is white. That's it. Thank you.